There we go. 215,112 miles on it. Been having a lot of problems. Once a year I've blown out a brake line. I just had this repaired. I'm too old to be climbing underneath the truck replacing brake lines. Mechanic said he's had a lot of trouble with the Chevy pickups, and that's basically what this thing is. Glorified Chevy pickup. Between the years 2000 and 2004 rather, with the brake lines rusting out. Evidently General Motors, their infinite wisdom, probably bought them from China, and they evidently, during the galvanization process, they didn't do a very good job. I had him replace 2 of them on here, I guess a week ago. Nothing worse than going down the road at 40, 50 miles an hour and having to stop and having no brakes. The pedal goes clear to the floor. Thank God I've got a good emergency brake. At any rate, that's fixed. And now we've got this problem with the oil pressure. I'm on my way over now to pick up a sending unit. I hope that's what it is. Because if it's the oil pump itself, I'm not going to tackle that one. It'll be back to the mechanic again. But I'm going to try to change, if my back lets me. I unloaded that firewood yesterday and loaded it, and threw my backpack out again. So if it's feeling better tomorrow, I'll take a 500 milligram of Tylenol and see if I can't get that sending unit changed. I looked on eBay, a couple different sites. It's not easy, but it's not impossible. Okay, I'm going to shut you off, and I'll probably see you, well, maybe in a couple days when I get that sending unit changed. Take care. I'll talk at you later. Bye. Yep. Should be right about there in the middle. That's where it has been running. The other night we went to go to the auction about 42 miles from the house. Alarm came on down here, and this pegged at 60 pounds of pressure. The alarm was low oil pressure, so I don't know. What I'm going to do is, hold on just a second. You see right down there in the box, that's the sending unit. I'm going to try to put that in as soon as we don't have a day that's raining. It's been raining for about 3 days now. My back finally got back in condition to where I can bend over, so we'll take a shot at it as soon as we get a day that's not raining. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be back to you shortly. Bye. Okay, everybody, we finally got a day with no rain, so I'm going to take a shot at getting that sending unit. There's a sending unit. Once I get the old one out or get it unplugged, I'm going to take a look and make sure it's the right one before I get all carried away. Okay, we'll put it back in the box, get her opened up, and see what we got in here. They're a little closer.
it's supposed to be right down in there. I don't see it, but I'm going to have to get up on a stool and see what's down in there. Okay, we'll get back to you when I get my stool out here and get climbed up on top of it. We do have to take this shroud off the top. I did hear that part. Okay, thanks for watching. Be back to you shortly. Bye.
Can't tell if it's turning. Okay, I got a little ways to go.
It's got to compress that washer on there, so.
Yeah. Let's feel it if it's got that gap. Oh shit, I keep sliding down. I don't need to be able to see it. Come on now. What the fuck did I just do? Let's get that fucker in there like that. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. That's
Yeah,
all we're
looks
gonna
good.
get.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta find out.
Yeah, let me go get some stuff to clean that plug just to play it safe. I didn't see anything in it, but. Somebody out there take 5?
We gotta clean it now. It's got shit stuffed in the. Damn. Got rubbed in grease. Now it's got shit in the little holes. Fuck man, I wish I hadn't done that. I wish I had tucked that fucker back. Might need to get a pin or something. If this shit doesn't clean it.
Yeah, that's got a lot of alcohol in it, so.
I don't really want to spray it like down into the damn sensor thing. See it?
Yep, looks good.
Yeah, all
Looks
the
good. Here,
dirt's
you want me to
kinda
get
out
it?
there.
You want me to get it from here?
No, I sprayed it right up into the thing.
Okay.
I was hoping that all the dirt washed
Just
out.
get out, take 5, smoke a cigarette, let it dry out.
Ah, yeah, that's good. Yep. I'll blow myself up with ether all over my hand. Got a cigarette.
Yeah, this thing's aluminum. No wonder it went bad.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Well, my son got the sending unit in. Got the plug cleaned up and plugged in. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, 45 pounds oil pressure. Looking good. Yep, looking good. Well, I don't know how much he saved me, probably over $150 in mechanics fees. And my place where I take it, his mechanic's about 6'5" and weighs about 300 pounds. I'm not sure he could have gotten up there anyways. Okay, thanks for watching and sticking this out. Bye.
Hey everybody, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked that last video. If you did, click on the button, give me a thumbs up on it, write a comment, subscribe would be great. If you'd like to see more videos on numerous different things that I find people might find interesting, you go over here at the end of this little skit. You'll see a thumbs up icon. Click on that and it'll take copyright that I believe all the rest of my videos. And once again, appreciate comments, thumbs up, subscribing would be great. Take care. Talk to you.